Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ikea. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. You are definitely a real one. So today's video is all about fragrances that drive men crazy. Now, me personally, I don't really necessarily care to wear fragrances to attract men because I just feel like I could be wearing a bar of soap. I could be wearing deodorant and still get compliments. Okay, that's just how I feel. But every now and then, you want to wear a nice fragrance, and it's nice to get compliments. So today I'm going to be sharing 5 fragrances that I think are man eater fragrances, or ones that really do drive men crazy in my opinion. So if that is something that you're interested in, then keep on watching. And before we get started, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, of course. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and do not forget to click on that notification bell so you do not miss out on a single video. The fragrance that I want to share is from Mancera, and this is called Instant Crush. This is a beautiful fragrance. It's woody, it's a little spicy, and it's also a little warm. So in this fragrance, there's saffron, there's bergamot, there's also some amberwood, some musk, mandarin, vanilla, sandalwood. This fragrance is absolutely beautiful. I think the reason why this fragrance attracts men is because it's also a unisex scent, and to me this actually gives me similar vibes to Baccarat Rouge 540. Now, this fragrance to me is beast mode. Like, you definitely do not want to overspray this because it is beast mode. I probably would not recommend wearing this on a first date because it's kind of loud, it's kind of heavy. But I mean, hey, if that's what you want to do, then do you, boo. But Mancera's Instant Crush is absolutely beautiful. Every time I wear it, I receive compliments. And again, especially from men, it's just a beautiful fragrance, especially if you want something that's woody and also a little spicy. So next we have Oud Satin Mood from MFK. This is also a unisex scent, and I think this smells amazing on men, but I also think it smells amazing on women as well. It's a beautiful oud fragrance with vanilla and rose. To me, this is a great fragrance if you're not a huge fan of oud. The oud is there, but the vanilla and the rose really kind of shine in this fragrance, and I just think this fragrance is so sexy. Now, oud is just one of those notes where it's like, it's kind of hard to tell if someone is attracted to oud, but I found that with Oud Satin Mood, generally most people are attracted to this fragrance. It's also very long lasting and beast mode, so I try not to overspray this one either, but it smells so good. It's sweet, and also it has that floral touch to it that I love. So again, this one is from Maison Francis Kurkdjian, and this is Oud Satin Mood. Now, another fragrance that I think is a man-eater fragrance is none other than Rouge Malachite from Giorgio Armani. Now, to me, this is what I wear when I am just like in my most feminine form. I am resting in my feminine energy. I am just very like dainty and coy and super chic and all of those things. This is one of those fragrances that I like to gravitate towards. It's a super feminine fragrance, and it's a beautiful floral fragrance. The main notes in here are tuberose. There's jasmine in here. There's also a little bit of sage and pink pepper. This fragrance is absolutely beautiful. One of my favorite floral fragrances. So if you were looking for a floral that, kind of grabs someone's attention, then I would definitely recommend this one. I cannot tell y'all how many times I get stopped and asked what I'm wearing whenever I have this fragrance on. It lingers and it leaves this beautiful sillage. It's absolutely amazing. This is actually one of my favorite tuberose fragrances. If not, it is my favorite tuberose fragrance. And I'm kind of picky about tuberose, but in this fragrance, it is absolutely done right. And it is so beautiful. So if you want a fragrance that gains attention from men and other people as well, but it's also super feminine, then I would definitely recommend Rouge Malachite from Giorgio Armani. Now, this next fragrance is more of a recent finding that men love this fragrance. This is Exote from Fumi Monet. Now, whenever I wear this, I get compliments again, but I've only worn this around men a maybe like a handful of times. And I will say they were all like, girl, you smell good. What do you have on? You smell really lovely. You smell really nice. And those are the compliments I like to receive when I know my fragrance smells good. Even though, like I said, I could be wearing a bar of soap and I will get compliments. However, I like to get those compliments when I know my fragrance smells good. But that's what I've been getting lately with Exote. I think that this is a very beautiful fragrance. It is kind of in the same lines as Mason Francis Kirk Dijon's Gentle Fluidity Gold. Also, Intense Cafe from Montal. It kind of gives me similar vibes to that. But this is a beautiful Turkish rose fragrance. There's also some orange blossom in here. There's a little bit of jasmine, some vanilla. There's also pink pepper in here as well. It is so, so beautiful. So if you have not checked out this fragrance yet, I definitely recommend checking out a sample or even purchasing it. I even think that this is a great blind buy worthy fragrance. I love it so much. Once I use this up, I am definitely purchasing another one because it smells amazing and the performance is really good on this one as well. It lasts a very long time. So again, this one is from Fumi Monet and it is called Exote. Okay, y'all. So my last most compliment getting, man eating fragrance is none other than Vanilla 28 from Ikea Alexis. First of all, this is actually my most complimented fragrance in my entire collection. And from men and women and from everyone, this fragrance, I can guarantee you every time I walk out of the door with this fragrance on, somebody is going to tell me that I smell good. Now, I found that most men are attracted to sweet scents like vanilla, and I also found that they're attracted to lavender. Now, this fragrance is vanilla through and through, okay? This is a true vanilla fragrance. Of course, there's Madagascar vanilla in here. There's also a little bit of brown sugar. There's a few floral notes in here as well, like some jasmine, and there's also a little bit of patchouli. But this fragrance smells like pure vanilla, and it is absolutely divine. I cannot rave enough about Vanilla 28, but y'all already knew that. Y'all know I love me some Ikea Alexis, but Vanilla 28 is just so, so beautiful. It is a sexy vanilla as well. It's mature vanilla. It's not like super sweet and juvenile. It's a nice, mature, beautiful grown up vanilla scent. And I am telling you, whenever I step outside and I have this fragrance on, I am guaranteed to get compliments. So if you're one of those people who don't really want attention, then I probably wouldn't recommend this one. It's not super loud or like a bold fragrance. However, it is still an attention getter. It has a nice sillage for the first couple of hours and then it becomes a skin scent. But once you get close and once you smell this fragrance, honestly, people are not going to be able to get enough of you. So just beware. Whenever you have on Vanilla 28, you are going to smell very delicious, okay? Very delicious. All right, y'all. So those were 5 of my favorite man-eating fragrances. Ones that bring all the boys to the yard and just attract attention. So comment down below and let me know what your most complimented man-eating fragrances are. Again, fragrance is personal. Whatever you like to wear it and do you. But y'all know I'm nosy, so I want to know what you're wearing, and I'm also just very interested. So comment down below and let me know some of your favorite or most complimented fragrances. But I thank y'all so much for watching this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up again if you enjoyed, of course. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Don't forget to check me out on my other social media handles. My Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter will be linked down below in the description box. And I will link all of the fragrances that I mentioned in this video. Again, I thank y'all. I hope y'all have a great one, and I will talk to you later. Bye.